Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma AI for your presentations. Guys, this platform, this program and this app in general will help you a lot in your work through your college years, high school, it matter basically, because you have AI tool that can generate you powerful presentations with pictures, cool text and everything. And as I said, the most important thing, it will save you a tons of time, and maybe even more important, it will save you a tons of your nerves. So let's check it out. Or you can go right here, guys, to gamma.app right here, a new medium for presenting ideas powered by AI. Down below you can see, for example, guys, this cool video. You can check it out, guys, for yourself. Hi, I'm Gamma and everything, how it works. You can check it out. I will leave this part for you. But down below, create unlimited presentations, websites, and more in seconds. Meet your AI-powered design partner, guys. You can access best-in-class AI for text, images, and search. Apply eye-catching expert-level designs and layouts. Quickly rewrite or autocomplete your content, and plenty of other cool stuff. Also, build and share dynamic content effortlessly. Restyle existing content with a click, guys. I will show that part to you as well. Engage users on any device, and right here, guys, in general, this is super easy to use, and that's the biggest point right here, guys. It didn't matter if you're a beginner, if you're intermediate or something like that, with a computer, with AI presentation, something like that. Trust me, it's much more easier than PowerPoint in itself. So let's check it out. First thing, of course, that you need to do, guys, is to sign in. Right here, you can continue with Google, email, password, and everything. We will continue with Google, guys, account right here. So let's check it out. After that, once you made your account, guys, what we can expect to pop up, guys, is this right here. This is how your workspace is supposed to look like. Create new AI, new from blank, import and everything beautifully transparent and prepared for you. So what's the next step? Create new AI right here. Paste in text, generate, guys, right here, import a file. So what we're gonna press, guys, first is generate right here, popular, continue right here, and check it out. You can choose, guys, what would you like to create today? Presentation, website, document, 8 cards, English and everything. You can pick number of cards, guys, right here. Of course, plenty of them. The bigger amount is, of course, the expensive one. This is the free one you get, from 1 to 10 cards. Let's stay with 8, guys. English right here. Describe what you like to make, guys. So yeah, example prompts, science fair project guidance, engagement rings, course syllables, the art of storytelling in cinema, brand strategy, and so on. You get the point. So let's just shuffle again. You can shuffle again. Industrial Revolution lesson, guys. Let's check right here. Generate outline after that. Of course, you can do it for yourself, but let's see the outline right here. You can add, delete something. You can see right here, for example, delete this one right here. We'll leave with 7 cards right here. You can add card, guys, amount of text per card, brief, medium, detail, image source, guys, web image search, AI images, new, of course, image style right here. You can describe the color, style, mood, something like that, image module, playground 2.5, stable diffusion, the XL or in Pro version of Gamma. You have the other options. So let's continue. Right now, let's see what will pop up, what we'll have, guys, right here. This is a team preview, so of course you can check it out, guys. This is a team preview. This is a body text. You can change your fonts, colors, image later in the team editor. You can also create your own custom branded team and so on. So you can check it out. For example, this one right here. Primary, secondary button, guys. You have plenty of options right here. You can check it out how it looks like. Once you pick that, you can press right here, shuffle theme. You can even pick more of them, guys. And let's see what we have. This one right here, yeah, looks amazing. So press on generate, and now we are waiting. What will pop up? Take a look at the speed, guys. The AI is doing everything for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides, guys, right here. Yeah, it's incredible. It's incredible right here because, as I said, it saves you plenty of time. Like what you created, guys, create something else. Back to prompt right here. How satisfied are you and everything. But here you can check it out. Industrial Revolution we can experience, guys. You can even type in some more text right here. Why not? You can press a slide and everything, guys. But most important thing for you, this looks amazing. This is stunning. AI have done plenty of work for you. But what if you need something else? What if you want to change something? What if you want to AI to change something, so you do not have to bother, you do not have to spend your time, guys? Edit with AI. For example, here are some ways I can help. Format this as a table, expand on this with more detail, put the key points into boxes, split into columns, underline all the nouns, rewrite this for a 5-year-old. Let's check this out. I'll try rephrasing this. So suggested, original. Okay, we can see the original right here, how it looks like, and here we can experience, guys, how it looks like when it's written like for a 5-year-old. So yeah, I definitely do like that, guys. It's really amazing. You can check it out, guys. You can press on it. We can go to slide number 2, guys, right here, and for example, change. No, let's type this in. Let's see what will pop. Let me find a good picture to add. So let's see what will pop up, guys, right here. My God, and you do not have to even type in, find me some industrial pictures, because it's AI, guys. He knows that it has to be in industrial pictures. And if you need maybe some pictures of frogs, some sports, something that you want to break the monotony, guys, of your presentation, that you want to maybe do it more brightful, more colors or something like that, that's it. And you can check it out. Let's see this one right here. Let's just have a second. There is maybe no space on this slide, guys. So, okay, that's it. This is ugly. This is not good. But my point is, so I can show you that once you choose your picture that you want to add, all you need to do is to just bring it right here. Drop here, guys. You can see we have this picture right here. For example, we can switch it with this one right here. Let's see, for example, voila, as easy as that. Also, if you want to do your work, guys, for you, if you want to let your imagination do your own thing, guys, you do not have to go with AI. Right here, card templates. Right here is smart layouts. You can see basic blocks, guys. You can press on images and see. You can find yourself an image upload or URL, unsplash images, accent images, gallery, GIFs from GIF icons, AI images, web search, guys, right here. Super easy. I mean, give it a shot. Videos or media, guys, again, YouTube videos, Vimeo right here, Spotify, TikTok and everything. Also embed apps, guys, right here, Instagram, Airtable and so on. Charts and diagrams right here. We can see forms and buttons right here, guys. Plenty of options for you. It's super easy, as I said, super transparent. It ain't matter if you're a beginner, as I said, in creating presentations, guys. It's much more easier, in my opinion, than PowerPoint, and much more convenient. It will save you plenty of time. It will make you some great presentations that will do good on your work, on your school, college, whatever you need for your presentation for. So yeah, check it out. Also, right here, let's see present. Let's see how it looked like. So the big changes. Okay, let's see. This is the ugly picture we chose, guys. It really is not that good, but okay, the point is here. So you can explore this and scroll, guys. It's really, really magnificent. It's really amazing, guys. It's super easy. Start presenting right here. Stop presenting. You can check it out. You can press just on exit right here, and that's it. You can go back, and again, as I said, do not forget about edit AI right here. It's super important for you. It's definitely something to think about. Again, you can go back to your home page, guys. You can see the big changes. Here's your presentation, guys, and as well, you can press on it again, and you will be again redirected straight away here. Another cool section that I want to point out, that I want to show to you guys, is this view analytics. You can check it out. Page views, guys, by page, in unique viewers in past 30 days and everything. You can check it out, your viewer ID and everything, their mail and stuff like that. Card engagement, of course, we scrolled a bit through first, second, third, and just a little bit on fourth slide, guys. And then you can see here, you can see the engagement of each slide, guys. So when you create your workspace, when you share a presentation with some people, guys, with your classmates, with your colleagues or something like that, you can see how much time they spent on each slide, which slide is the most important and the most interesting to them and everything. So this statistics is definitely super cool. You can see even the viewed one. This one is viewed. We didn't even haven't seen the last 3 slides, but yeah, who cares? The point is here. You can upgrade from $15 a month, guys, right here, to Gamma Pro, that has plenty of other utilities for you that you can actually use, benefit from, guys. So think about it. And in general, I think this is pretty much summed up Gamma AI. Definitely check it out. On your account right here, your workspace, you can see, guys, templates, inspiration, teams and everything, custom phones, trash and everything. You can see your credits right here. For example, teams, you can press on it on a new team right here, and here you can create your own new team, guys. Once you create your own new team, once you let your imagination do what it likes, guys, after that, what you need to do is just to select the team, and again, AI will create presentation for you for your team that you made. So pretty big help for you. As I said, it can solve plenty of your problems. Think about it. It's definitely worth it. Gamma AI is here to take over. So check it out. Every single possible link is down below in the description section. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.